Black is Saturday morning cleaning to old school. Black is soulful. Black is so cool. Black is innovation. Black is taking a little and producing a lot. Black is repurposed use, aka recycling. From the plastic bag to the Royal Dansk and tin cans. And don't forget about the tan country crock container. No longer filled with butter, but last night's remains. Black is categorized clothes. Church clothes, school clothes, work clothes, play clothes. Black is, I ain't one of your little friends. Black is, you better respect your elders. Black is, yes ma'am, and no sir, please and thank you. Black is, you better speak when you walk into a room. Black is, you better be home before that street light come on. Black is Sunday dinners. Black is washed poultry and seasoned food. Black is sweet potato pies and yellow potato salad. Black is dance and rhythm. Black is music, instrument, and song. Black is braids, beads, plaits, and barrettes. Black is phone books, grease, and hot combs in the kitchen. Black is church mothers, Ziploc bags, butterscotch, and peppermint candies. Black is grandmothers and prayer rooms. Black is love and happiness. Shoot, black is home.